Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Goku from Dragon Ball Z. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with Goku, let's begin with the eyes. We'll start right here and we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then we're going to bring it back like this. Next we're going to draw a line that comes over and up. We'll leave a little bit of space and we'll do the same thing. We're just going to go down and up. Then we'll come down and over. We'll add a little black dot inside each one. And then using this little line here, we're just going to make a line that's going to come up, down, and back. And we'll just color this in for the eyebrow. Same thing here. We're going to go up, bring it down, and then over. Now, starting here for the nose, we'll draw a little line down, and then a small V shape. Then we'll make a line across, and then a little line right here. Next, we're going to draw a line underneath the eyes. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then in. And same thing here, we're going to go down and then in. Now we're going to make it connect right here with like a point. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to curve in and then up. And then we're going to make another one that's going to come down and then up. We're going to make a line that's going to come down and up here. Down and up, down and up. Then we'll make a little line down here. Starting here for the ear, we're going to make a line that's going to curve out and then in. Same thing over here, we're going to go out and then bring it in. Make a little line here and then one here. And we'll make a small curve at the bottom. I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Starting up here, let's add a curve. We'll make a line that comes out and then in. One more that's going to come out pretty far and then in. We'll make some smaller ones right here. We're going to curve this up to a point and then bring it back. We're going to make this one come out to a point and back. One more here, one here, and then a little one right here. Now for the neck, we're going to draw a line down and a line down, and they kind of curve in just a little bit. We'll make a little line at the end. Then we're going to make a line that comes down and then one right here. Make one here and one here. We'll make a curve and a curve for the chest. Starting here, we'll bring a line down on each side for the shoulders. Then we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then back up. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down to a point, and that's going to come up and over. Right here, we're going to go up and down. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll go up and down for the shirt. We'll do another little wrinkle here on each side. They'll make a line that comes out on each side. We're going to bring this in. And a little line down on each side. We'll do a couple little wrinkles on each side of the body for the shirt. Then we're going to bring this line across and up. Now I'm going to add a couple little extra lines on here. And these are just going to be like some kind of wrinkles in his outfit. We can make some of these come up here and connect as well. Right here, let's go down and then in for another part of the shirt. We'll do that on each side. I'll make a little kind of square shape for the knot, and then we'll add a couple little lines on each side. We'll make a long line that comes down, over, and up, and one more here. Make a line that goes in on each side, and we'll go out and bring across for the belt. Now let's go ahead and work on his arms. We'll begin by drawing a line that comes down on each side. And we're going to curve it like this. And we'll add another curved line coming down. We'll add a line that comes in. And a line that's going to come down and over, down and over. Bring this line across. We're going to draw a little line that curves up. We'll bring this line down. Then we're going to come over and up. We'll come over and up. We'll add another little line here and another one right here, just to kind of show where the bicep is. Then we'll add two lines here. Do the same thing, two lines. Bring this up and down. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve and come over. Bring this up and down. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come up. And then we're just going to curve this over. Now for the hands, we're just going to come out and we're going to put 4 bumps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same thing over here. We're going to come up. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to bring this in and down. And we'll do this again. In and down, in and down, in and down. Do the same thing over here. We're going to go in and down, in and down, in and down, in and down. Now we're going to make sure these are all connected. And this one we're just going to curve back. Right up here we're going to go up, come down and in. Same thing here, up, down, and in for the thumb. And we'll put a little curved line on here for the nail. We'll draw a little line across each one just to kind of show where the knuckles are going to be. Now for the pants, we'll do the same thing on each side. We'll just kind of go down and in a little bit, show some wrinkles. We'll just kind of go down and out a little bit. They're going to get quite a bit wider as they come out. Do that same thing on each side. We'll just kind of add a couple little lines, and we're going to go over like this. So a couple little lines. We'll just come over and then around. His pants are going to be kind of baggy and wrinkly. Now starting here, we'll just kind of go down, we'll bring this up, and we're just going to make some kind of wrinkly, wavy lines, and we're going to stop right about here. Let's do that same thing on this side. They can be a lot different. They don't have to be the same. We'll just kind of stop right there. And we just want to add some of these big curved lines onto here. We're just going to kind of add some of these all around. And a couple more over here. We'll add a couple little lines on here too. Now for shoes, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. Same thing here, down, over, and up. We'll make a little line that comes across. Then we're going to go down here for the shoe. We're going to bring it up and make it a little wavy. His feet are going to be kind of small. So once again, we go down to a point, bring it up, a little wavy, and then come right back up. We'll do that same shape right across the bottom just to show where the sole of his shoe is going to be. We'll add a little circle in the middle and then make two lines coming down. Then we'll draw a nice little line that comes all the way down. And then we're going to make two lines that come up and a few more little lines on here. Now this shirt on here, I like to just add some broken lines going some different directions just to make some little wrinkles and texture. And then he's also going to have a couple little hairs sticking out here. And then the last thing we have to do is let's just add a little circle on his shirt. And then we won't be able to get all the symbol in, but we'll just kind of make a line that goes down and over. We'll just kind of come up and then add a couple little lines here just to get a little bit of the symbol. And there you go. There is your drawing of Goku from Dragon Ball Z. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.